In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send, reply to, and forward emails using Gmail. Whether you're new to Gmail or just seeking a refresher, this guide will help you master these essential tasks so you can communicate more effectively and with confidence. We begin with sending an email. Open your web browser of choice and navigate to Gmail's website. Go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Compose button, usually located at the top left corner of the page. Clicking it will open a new email window. Here, you'll need to input your recipient's email address in the To field. It's important to double-check the address to ensure your email reaches the intended person. If you're emailing multiple people, you can add their addresses to the CC or BCC fields useful for copying people or maintaining privacy among recipients. Next, enter your subject in the subject field. This should be a concise summary of your email's purpose. Then, move to the main body and start typing out your message. Feel free to format text, add links, or attach files as needed to enhance your message. Once you're satisfied, press the Send button at the bottom of the window. And there you have it, your email is on its way. Now, let's discuss replying to an email. Select the email you wish to reply to by clicking on it. Once opened, you'll see a reply icon, often resembling an arrow. Click this icon to initiate a reply. The field will pre-fill with the original sender's address, so you can swiftly jump into writing your reply in the provided text area. You might notice that the previous email text is included for context, which can be incredibly helpful in maintaining the flow of conversation. Naturally, you can remove quoted text if it's not needed. Complete your response, and when you're ready, click Send. Just like that, your reply is on its way back to the original sender. Finally, let's look at forwarding an email. Start by opening the email you want to forward. There's a forward option, typically found alongside the reply button. Clicking Forward will open a new Compose window, with the original email content already displayed, making it easy for the recipient to follow along. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Remember, this could be someone who wasn't part of the initial conversation. You can type a message above the forwarded email to provide context or additional information. Once everything looks good, click the Send button to forward the message. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage your Gmail correspondence with ease. Remember, familiarity comes with practice, so don't hesitate to use these functions often. Thanks for tuning into today's tutorial, and I hope you feel confident in handling your Gmail communications more proficiently.